YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. I'm going to show you one of my Christmas decorations that I put out every year. It goes underneath my tree, and it's my Holiday Express animated train set. You can see what it looks like here. This train set comes with 3 pieces, but I added a 4th one on, and I'll show you that in a second here. But it's an electric train set, so it's not battery. It's controlled with an adapter and contacts, metal contacts that power the track. And I'll show you that in a second here. But I got this at a storage locker type of sale, and it was one of the pieces that was in the storage unit that I got for pretty cheap, actually. The price in the corner here is $250, but obviously I didn't pay that. I think I got it together with a whole bunch of other things and saved a lot of money on it, and it's works great. But looks like Quality Gifts New Bright. I'm not sure what the brand is of this. Yeah, I guess Quality Gifts New Bright is the company that makes that. Not much else on the box besides just the front image here. Okay, and you can hear the music playing, so I'll just show you here what it looks like. So this is underneath my 9-foot tree, right up to the ceiling there. No star, can't even put a star on it because it goes right up to the ceiling. But here it is here. So here's the front of the train, and it has moving parts. Right now they don't move until the train starts moving, but he moves. One of the elves, Santa, moves and waves. It's the front of the train. Santa's Fae. Okay. The next part of the train. So in this one, the moving part is this little guy. He's hiding inside the, I guess, a storage compartment to the train, and he goes up and down when the train starts moving. I think that's it for moving parts on this part. You got the tree up there, and they are connected through little cables to each cart, and they lock on with these they clip on to each section, so the train holds together. So those come up and down. Same thing here. This is the third part of the train. So these guys are working along here, and that moves. Okay. Lights on in the window. It's the third part of the train. Now I'm just gonna start it to bring over the next part, the last part.
All aboard!
Okay, and here's the last part of the train. So Santa, he rocks in his chair when the train moves along. And you got a little guy here stamping the tickets. And that's an additional part to this train that wasn't included. As you can see on the box, it only comes with the 3, I believe. And this wasn't, you can purchase the additional parts for the train. See, it's got another section here where you can buy another part and plug it in to the power to give the next part of the train, and then hook it on here. So I only have 4, the train track goes right around my tree, all the way to the back. And so here is train station. So the lights flash there. These guys aren't part of it. This is from the Polar Express train set, but my daughter had just put them on here, I guess. Clock. Okay, I'm just gonna move it forward here so I can show you guys. Stop it. So how this train is powered is through these metal. So the train track itself has metal contacts. This is metal. So these two contacts this one here, this one here, touch this metal track, and this is powered through here. So the first point of power is from the adapter, goes to this unit, okay, and then that gives power through these two contacts to this metal part, and then now power is running through, and now this is being powered because it's touching the metal contacts, which is giving this power, right? So through this power cord. So that's where the main power comes from. The two metal contacts are touching. So if I were to pull that off, it would disconnect the power. See, I took it off the metal part. So if I put it back there, and everything goes back, so it's controlled. Okay, so that's how it's powered. And then you got this wonderful control unit here that controls the train. So you're on and off. Oh, that turns off everything. All the lights are off. Okay, turn it back on. Okay, and you got
Merry Christmas!
okay, bell, whistle, all aboard. Okay, and then all your controls are here. So let's hit the forward button and watch it go. So I'll slow it down, maybe so you can see some of the moving. So I'm just hitting the speed button down, and you can see some of the parts that move. Just slow it down. Kind of hard to see everything moving, but okay, now we can stop. And we can go in reverse. pretty much it. So you're just your regular controls: forward, stop, speed, control the volume. This is the volume of the voices.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Put it down.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho!
Okay.
Merry Christmas!
You can mute, stop all the sounds, the talking. Okay.
Merry Christmas!
And that's it. So again, the Holiday Express animated train set. Again, I don't know, this is probably maybe 20 plus years old. I'll probably try to find that and put that in the description later on, but I don't think they sell it anymore. You might be able to find it on eBay if it's something that interests you. But the thing I like about this train set is it's an electric train set. You don't have to worry about batteries or charging batteries. I have a Polar Express train set, but it could be an older version, but it requires the battery to be charged for it to run, and then it dies fairly quickly after my kids are playing with it, and then I gotta recharge it again. This one I can just turn off, turn it on when I want, and it will just keep on going. I can leave it on and let it run. No batteries,
All aboard!
just controlled through the power adapter, which sits underneath the train track. You can increase the speed. And so yeah, it's all controlled through the adapter, and that's the main control. Everything is underneath. The power goes underneath the track, so the train doesn't run into anything. And also a good thing as well, you can fit your power to your tree. That's my that also goes under the track, which lights up my tree, and the train doesn't interfere with that, so it can slip. Power cord can slide right underneath there to your tree too. So hope you enjoyed it, and again, if you're looking for one of them, give eBay a try. You might be lucky to find it. Hopefully not too expensive, but it's one of the train sets that my kids really enjoy. So hopefully you can get one, and maybe your kids will enjoy it as well. Thank you for stopping by. Again, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll be uploading more videos.